Wagwan massive. You don't know say your girl Whitney.
You don't know say your boy Jessie.
And today guys we're back at you with the yoga challenge. So my mom, she picked out, is it 6 or 7? 7? 7 yoga poses for us to copy. Alright, so we're gonna try our best. We're not gonna be perfect, of course, because this is the first time we're seeing these pictures.
And doing something like this, really.
Right.
Yeah,
and we ain't, both of us ain't been in the gym in a long time.
Since
so we fat.
Since they closed.
Right. We got quarantine bodies right now. We fat. Look at this. And look at this.
My arms are all tiny right now.
Right. So.
And I'm not flexible, so we'll see. We'll see what happens.
So we're a little out of shape. I ain't gonna lie. Mostly me. But
hit that subscribe button.
That like button. And comment down below.
Alright, let's get to it.
Lay down. You gotta lay down. Put your foot up like you're about to do an ab crunch. And then I gotta put, okay.
You got it?
Yep.
You show me
Think so?
Alright.
Alright,
So here, like that.
Yep.
Yep.
Ready?
Yep, like that.
We had,
shoulders, I think.
oh no, I fit it up. That was what are you? Alright. Ready?
Yep. Here you go first. And that. I think that's it.
Right. Alright, so the next one is this.
Oh yeah. How did I start this one?
So and then yeah. You gotta hold the bottom of my foot, babe.
I am. I'm checking the balance first. Hold on. Alright, raise this foot up first. I got that one.
Okay. Come down. I do fool me. Come down, child. Look. Pull me down. Pull me down slow.
Once you raise it, I'll
Ready? Yep.
yeah, books.
No, because I gotta be, yep, go. I gotta be at an angle like this. I'm gonna put my foot in between your and stuff. Alright. Come now.
How's your feet?
Oh yeah, if you use your foot balance me. I know, Sir Jessie.
Try to get my feet up there.
You gotta scoot your butt at an angle like this.
Okay, is that angle like that?
And then straight up.
Like that?
We gotta put our heels on each other. Not the heel, but the whole head. It's close enough.
Push-up position.
Uh-huh.
And then you going to be up there. Already bent. And we'll push up.
Oh. Yeah.
Alright, great. Three, two, one, go.
Okay, wait.
Good, perfect.
Stop it up. Give him back your hand. More and come down. Put your foot slowly. Stop. All right, guys. So you see how that worked out. I think we did our best. We did really good.
We did. I think we acrobats now.
Yeah, some fat acrobats. But let us know what you think down below in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
Yep. Don't forget to smash that notification button so you can see all the upcoming videos.
Yes.
Guys, if you like the video, definitely try it out yourselves. At your couples or your friends, your buddies, you know,
at home. It's something fun to do, you know, during the quarantine. It really takes your mind off of it, at least for a little bit, you know. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Until next time. It's red.
Yeah, of course.
I'm sorry.